Well, let's go ahead and take a look outside here. Just after 10:30 here on your Wednesday, it's all good news. Right now, we're talking about all those rains that we had. The Metro had two good waves last night and also this morning up to about noon. And some folks around Frontier City, Southeast Edmond had about an inch plus of rainfall, and out in Canadian County, there's some 2 and 3 inch totals. Tonight, skies are mostly clear. It's a beautiful evening, 78 degrees, still pretty humid. 70 dew point, humidity running almost 80%. Easterly breeze running only 5. The winds are going to be light now for days and days. That's really great. 72 our morning low, 85 our daytime high. Will Rogers, 28 hundredths of an inch, almost 3 inches now for the month in Oklahoma City in July, which is really good. The grass pollen came up today some. So let's take a tour around Oklahoma and check out these beautiful live temperatures here as of 10:46. We'll start you off up here in northwest Oklahoma and look at all the low to mid 70s. Lows are going to head down into the low to mid 60s for you folks up here in this part of the state. And low to mid 70s as well. North central and northeastern Oklahoma, we're heading down into the mid to upper 60s in this part of our state. Here's central Oklahoma. Downtown is 73. Down around the east side of Norman is 75. El Reno's down to 72. Guthrie 79. Over in Okemah it's 77. Around Holdenville it's 77. And Bing and Ada 73 right now. A nice mild 73 around Apache, and over in western Oklahoma, lots of 77s from Hollis through Eric, through Cheyenne, through the Camargo Butler area, Clinton, Weatherford, and Bridgeport Hydro 75, and beautiful Fort Cobb is 75 degrees right now. So it's going to be a nice cool morning and a little patchy fog, not out of the question. Some of those sheltered valleys, especially in central and eastern Oklahoma. There goes the great big rain. Came out of the panhandle this time last night, and we had huge rainfall totals. No two ways about it up in Harper and Woodward County, and northern Oklahoma, far northern Oklahoma had great big rains, and those two waves came through the metro as well. That upper level disturbance now is moving out of southeast Oklahoma just past Idabel, and the heavy rain is now in southern Arkansas and eastern Texas. Moving away, you can see it right there. And Yellville, Arkansas up here last night had about a foot of rain with big time flooding. So you get these upper level disturbances this time of year, you can get some very heavy rainfall. And there's another one coming, and it's coming from Canada, of all places. The jet stream, big ridge out here. So the jet stream flows from the north, and the next disturbance is up here near Calgary, Canada, already triggering some thunderstorms. And that'll be arriving Saturday night and Sunday. So tonight, 68, but the cooler outlying areas will be in the mid 60s by morning, and 88 with mostly sunny skies tomorrow. Much nicer weather over in Branson as well. 60s for lows and 82 for a high. Between now and late Friday night, basically no rain except for the panhandle later Friday. And then here's the rain for Saturday night and Sunday. Lots of blue here. The blue is a ½ inch to an inch and a half of rain. So this will be a good general rain coming up that'll come in several waves over the weekend. There will be dry time as well, but temperatures are going to turn much, much milder over the weekend too. So 66 to 69 in the morning for the metro and statewide. Lots of low 60s in northwest Oklahoma. How about that? 66 in Clinton, 66 in Ponca, and 88 degrees. It'll be a little drier tomorrow. The humidity is going to lower down, and we'll be in the upper 80s to near 90 across the state. And the metro for Thursday with not a whole lot of wind, also basically dry. A few storms out by Guyman. And look at Friday here. We'll be in the upper 80s as well. Friday morning's low temperatures will be in the middle 60s, and there will even be some 50s low temperatures in northeastern Oklahoma on Friday morning. Here's Saturday. Moderate chance of showers and thunderstorms in through here developing as the day moves along. Middle 80s, near 80, near 90, and some low 90s in the southern parts of our state. A bit more of a breeze, but still not a whole lot of wind here coming up. 11-day forecast for you for some very un-July-like weather. 68 to 88 for tomorrow, and mid-60s tomorrow night, and 88 on Friday. Light winds, 90 on Saturday, 30% chance in the metro later in the day. That goes to 70% for Saturday night, and then 40 to 50% on Sunday, 84 on Sunday, lingering scattered showers Monday, then a dry stretch and slowly warming up. But we will be so green by then that I don't think we see 100 for the rest of the month of July. Left you with a good note right there.
Yeah. Don't hear anybody complaining.
Right.
50s in July.
Isn't that nice?
Incredible. Thank you. You know what? We're only a couple of days away from the nationwide release of the movie Twisters. So now we're kind of able to talk about News 4's participation in the film.
It's been under wraps for more than a year.